Hi there. Today, we're making deliciously warm and fluffy French toast. Enjoy warm tea and yummy French toast, breakfast bliss. We'll create delicious French toast with bread, eggs, milk, sugar, vanilla, and berry. Now, let's add half a cup of creamy milk to make our dish extra delicious. Let's crack these 2 perfect eggs for our delicious recipe. We'll whisk the eggs and milk together until they're perfectly blended for our tasty French toast. Let's add some sweet vanilla and sugar to really elevate the flavor of our French toast. A pinch of salt brings out the flavors. Let's mix it until perfectly combined. Let's soak each slice perfectly while keeping its shape intact. Let's heat this butter until it's nice and hot, perfect for our toasty treat. Now we cook these delicious slices until they're beautifully golden brown on both sides. And here's our delicious French toast, served warm with powdered sugar. Enjoy this tasty French toast, and subscribe for more delicious recipes.